Earn $10 per sign up for absolutely free. So this is going to be a make money online video, and I'm going to show you how to make money fast. So I'm going to show you a simple trick and a hack that you can do where you can get $10 and earn $10 per sign up. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So if you come through here, I'm sure you could find a video that will match or what you're looking for. So if you've never made money online before, I can assure you that if you go through some of my videos and apply these methods, you're going to be the first one to know. So if it's your first time here, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, because I like to know where you're watching it from. And I've been doing full-time online marketer for over 2.5 years as shooting this video. So I know exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm going to help some people in this year to go to financial freedom. So if you want to take massive action, I invite you to check out the first link in the description, and I'll send you over my number one recommendation. So without no further delay, earn $10 per sign up for free and make money online fast. So how we're going to do this is going to be a very cool and very unique way. So I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can apply this method and you could get started like today, like right after this video. Like, don't even wait. As soon as you finish this video, I want you to start doing what I'm about to share with you right now, because only the people that take action is going to be the one that actually work for. And I'm not talking about you doing something one time and then that's it. I need you to be consistent, and that way you can crush it. So let's jump into the video and let's do this right away. So the first thing first, what I want you to do, I need you to create a Canva account. It is absolutely free. You can use it on your mobile, and this can work worldwide. That's the good thing about this method I'm going to share with you, how to earn $10 per sign up for free using this method. So get an account, go to canva.com, sign up for free. And then once you sign up, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be creating designs. Now, this is not going to be some form of design that you maybe think that, okay, I'm just going to put something together. This is what people are looking for. And you could get paid every time somebody sign up for this. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing, we're going to be searching for business cards. So we're going to be looking for business cards because business cards is one of the popular things. People are always looking for business cards. Like, just, I think it's about 2.5 weeks ago, like my wife was looking at creating a new business card. So I'm going to show you where you can go and how you're going to get people to sign up for these and pay you $10 over and over again for absolutely free. So we're going to put some work in, and what we're going to do, we're going to create a business card. Now you can click on the blank ones, or you can look at the different styles, and you can start off by looking at what other people are doing here in Canva, and you can start to put your designs together. So let's say for this one, now click on this one. I'm going to minimize this a little bit. So while this is populating, there's a large amount of business cards that people are looking for. Now, people like to get just a regular business card. Some people like to get the plastic. Some people go for the metallic. And if you just scroll through here, you can find different designs that will match to whatever the customer is looking for. So for this, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a business card. Now, I want you to watch the video all the way to the end, because some of you probably like, oh yeah, it's business card. What are we going to be doing? And you probably think I'm going to go to a website that you probably think in your head, but this is going to be a different website. This is going to be brand new. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create the design. So let's say if someone is doing like Glenn Plumbing Company, and then you could put not immaculate cleaning, but of course you want to make sure you change this. You want to take this out. All right, you want to delete this out because we don't want this. You can remove this. We can find an element. Let's find an element, and let's find something in the plumbing, because I'm sure there's going to be, there we go. So we're going to find one that is absolutely free. All right, so we're going to find a free one. There's normally some free ones on here, but if you come on here and you click on the free one, these are all paid. But if you sift through this, you can definitely find free. You can even go to Google, and once you go to Google, you can also, hang on 1 second. There we go. Put this right here is plumbing. Right, you could keep it simple. It all depends on what the customer is looking for, because you don't have to put too much things on there, because the more you start putting too many things on there, that's more it's going to look like you're overcomplicating things. So once you start to create, right, you can create the design. You could do this, right? You could delete this one, put this down here. Okay, I don't know why this is in the middle. Okay, it seems like I clicked on it a few different times. So we can hide that, right? Put the plumbing right there. Change this, put this down here, and we're gonna put Glenn Plumbing. All right, so I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, so you know how super easy this is. Right, you can put whatever their handle is right there. You can change the number and everything. And then once that is created, it's clean. I like it. It is clean and everything. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is we want to go over to a website that is called SEO Clerk. So SEOclerk.com. Once you go sign up for SEOclerk.com, you just go to the website, put your email right here, put a username that you want to as well. Make sure you put a password that you can remember, confirm the skills that you want to provide. Maybe it's designing, business card designing, and then put your name. And always, you always want to read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy before you sign up for any particular website. So if you want to sell your service, right, you got to sign up for this. And now we're going to look at the community and see what we have here. So right down here, we can type in business card. When you type in, okay, nope, that's not it. Let's go here. All right. So we're going to type in business card. Type in business card, and you're going to see people are willing to pay you $5. So every time somebody sign up, you're going to get paid anywhere from like $10. Like it's $10, $10. There's like $5 services. There's $4 services. There's $5 services. But we want to go for the 10 because you don't want to underpay yourself, because this company, they're going to take a percentage. So if you put 5, they're going to take a percentage out of $5, right? Even if you put 10, they're still going to take a percentage, but it's just a higher amount of you getting a, you know, someone to sign up and making $10 over and over again. So this is a great website. They don't have a lot of competition, just like Fiverr. And if you want to sign up for Fiverr as well, you could come to Fiverr, you could sign up, but there's a lot of competition on Fiverr for this particular business card, because people are always looking for business cards. Like this person right here is charging $100. Like you can even make way more money. Right here, this person is charging 15. He's got over 873 people. So if you times, let me get my phone. So we could see how much this person is actually making, right? Let's see how much they're actually making. Let's get the calculator. I'm gonna get the calculator, and I'm gonna show you that this business is booming and it is possible. So this person has 873 customers at $15. Right there, look at it. That's $13,000. Plus, I'm sure Fiverr is gonna take out of it. So he just made under $10,000. $10,000 just by doing this. And this person probably have a full-time job. You could do this a full-time job. You could do it as a side hustle. You could do that extra. So you could click on here, Fiverr, but I think that this SEO Clerk is just a great way to start, because SEO Clerk, they don't have a lot of competition and you can go. Yes, Fiverr do have a lot of competition. There's another particular website that is called People Per Hour. Is another one that you can sign up for. So you could sign up for people per hour. Let's type in business card, find an expert, and then boom, like you can look on here, $15, this person, 30, this person, 15, this person, 20. So this person has a rating, they sold over 10 so far. This person sold over 11. This person sold over, all right? So you can come on here and you could price it for $10. So you can have people sign up $10 over and over for absolutely free because they're gonna pay you money. So that's where the free come in, because it's not gonna take you any money for you to sign up, because Canva is free. Canva is absolutely free. You ain't gotta pay for it. SEO Clerk to sign up is free. Fiverr is free. And of course, people per hour is free. So those are three websites that you can put your services and people can pay you $10 per sign up. Every time they sign up for one of these cards, you're gonna get paid. So you can make that money. So get started, start taking action, because the only way you're gonna get the result unless you start applying what you learn. So do remember, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll look forward to you in the next video. So there's my family. As I told you before, we do this full-time online. It's just great to be able to do the things that we love and enjoy, and you're gonna crush it. This is gonna be your year. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.